This is a shadow ban test. If you are seeing this, especially on your FYP, give the creator a like to let them know if they're shadow banned or not. TikTok is changing their algorithm frequently, and this is a confusing time for everybody. Please use this sound if you need to know if you're shadow banned.